I knew it. I knew I was right there. Made it into Brattleboro yesterday. A hell of a day. A lot of climbing. My God. I guess at some point in time I crossed over the Appalachian Trail. I didn't see it. Never stuck out to me. And I guess I crossed over the VTXL, which I was looking for, but couldn't really pinpoint. And like I said, it was just a tremendous amount of climbing. Rolling out of Bennington, Vermont. It's pretty interesting that I made it back here on this bike tour. I did like a big loop around Vermont, really, or like a big square, or a big triangle. Anyway, I did basically a big loop around Vermont. Not really my intended goal for this trip. I was just gonna head north, but there are some personal things I need to take care of, and it's not all fun and games. But just stopping at a side of the road park here, just up from Bennington. Grabbed a hotel room last night, and just kind of kicked it there. Really slept the rest of the afternoon. Woke up late, tried to eat anywhere that was still open. I'm trying to run Route 7 all the way down through and connect up with where I popped onto it last time. I mean, Kent, Connecticut's about 100 miles south of me, and I was thinking I could like probably shoot back there and slept where I did last time. Or there is like a little hotel down there. There is a campground, but you know, I don't know, just pushing south and looking to wrap this trip up in just a couple days. So I might head for Kent. It's 100 miles away, sleep on the river, and then continue riding south in the morning to maybe Bull's Bridge and pull over and get back into the Hudson Valley. But I gotta get out of here. The skeeters are waking up. Back on the road. Yeah, it's gonna be rain all day, but trying to do the 3-state challenge, Vermont, Mass, and Connecticut. And like I said, you know, that'll shoot me through Pittsfield, Mass, which I haven't been to for a year, I guess. A year ago, no, 2 years, wow. It's been 2 years since I was up there. So yeah, looking forward to coming through Pittsfield and doing all of Route 7 in Massachusetts, but I think kind of aiming for Kent tonight and just sleeping under that bridge like I did last time. So double duty. We'll see though. Still got 90 miles to ride. Well, I'm in Massachusetts. There's no border sign or anything. I'm actually in Williamston, Massachusetts, so kind of well into Mass, but cruising. Cruising in Mass. Beautiful Appalachian Mountains out there. My God. It's got to be the Appalachian Trail in there, everybody. It's got to be. But I don't know where the hell I am here. Just cruising right along. Oh, Mount Greylock. Oh, shit. coming through Pittsfield, Mass, everybody. Beautiful. Wow. Passing through Ashley Falls, Massachusetts, and this is gonna be the last town I hit in Mass. Just been cruising along today, and I'm gonna be in Connecticut in just a couple hours here, or excuse me, I'll be in Connecticut in just a couple miles here. I don't know, pretty overcast day. The rain was holding off, but it's just like a lot of focused riding kind of. Route 7 was a little bit busy, but I've been pulling off of it and riding just like some back road stretches like this. Having a great time and going for the 3-state challenge into Connecticut. Ho ho. Okay, leaving Massachusetts behind, heading into Connecticut. So here we go. Entering Cannon, Connecticut. Booyah. Okay, in Connecticut, super exciting. And what is this? State number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, I hit 6 states. Jesus. I knew it. I knew I was right there. Anyway, crossing over the Appalachian Trail again. I think I crossed it in Massachusetts as well, near Great Barrington, but I don't know, traffic was kind of moving and I was flying, but I couldn't stop and see that trailhead. But here we are. Walk in just a little ways here. Super, super nice trail. Gosh. I hope I get back to it at some point in my life and re-hike from Georgia to Maine. This might look a little familiar. Oh yeah. Ah. Okay, we'll head on back through. So cool here on the Housatonic River. Okay, made it into Kent a little earlier than last time. Still got a 94-mile day today. But gonna hit that convenience store and just kind of hang out, wait for the sun to go down.